Good morning to you all. Today I want to discuss the multiple choice questions, that is MCQ questions. This year CBSE is organizing MCQ based examination. It will be held in the month of November for class 10th and 12th. The student has to prepare MCQ based question in all subjects for term 1. It will be of 90 minutes duration. The term 2 examination will be in the month of March and April, and it may be of subjective type or objective type depending upon the COVID-19 situation in the country. The examination will start from 11:30 am and reading time will be of 20 minutes. The MCQ questions will be from the syllabus of term 1 and special preparation of MCQ is required from the students. MCQ based questions may be having 4 options, and out of 4 options, 3 options seems to have correct answers. Hence, student may confuse in the right answers. If a student have prepared his subject thoroughly and deeply, then he may put the tick on the correct answer. Otherwise, he may confuse on the correct answer. The correct answer will provide 1 marks and wrong answer may provide 0. If it is a numerical or concept based or formula based or principle based question, then a student having knowledge and practice may calculate the correct answers. Sometimes it is found that the student has to calculate it up to the second digit of decimal, as the other answers may be same up to the first digit of decimal, and answer may be different at the second digit of decimal. Hence, students have to practice fast and accurate calculation of such problem is required. They must practice MCQ questions in all subjects for term 1, and they must practice sample paper for checking their preparation and knowledge. A self-practice of different sample paper may improve the score of the students. All students must try for self-practice of sample papers. The second type of question will be assertion reason type questions. In such questions, there are 2 statements marked as assertion A and reason R, and in the same 5 options may be given. First option is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Second option is both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Third option is A is true but R is false. Fourth option is A is false but R is true. Fifth option is both A and R are false. In such questions, a student must know both A and R, then only he may tick the correct answer. For example, first assertion A. When lightning strikes, the sound is heard a little after the flash is seen. Reason R. The velocity of light is greater than sound. Hence, option 1 is correct as R provides the correct explanation of A. Second assertion. Now, first A. Indian President is the head of state. Reason Indian Parliament consists of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is second, as both A and R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. Now the third assertion A. The electric bulb makes a bang when it is broken. Reason R. The air inside the bulb rushes out immediately on breaking. Hence option 3 is correct as A is true but R is false. Now fourth assertion A. In winter, people prefer wearing white clothes. Reason R. White clothes are greater reflector of heat. Hence option 4 is the correct answer as A is false, R is true. Now fifth assertion A. In India, females having higher life expectancy than the male. Reason R. the females receive a better diet. Hence, option 5 is correct as both A and R are false. The third type of MCQ are case study based. In this, a paragraph or passage is given. The student has to read the passage carefully. They must go through the passage twice or thrice. Then they must attempt the question based upon the paragraph or passage. The answer of the MCQ based upon the passage may be from passage. Hence, these questions may be attempted carefully so that the student may answer the correct option. All the passages may be from your syllabus of term 1. Hence, go through the syllabus carefully and practice all the three type of MCQ, assertion reason type and case study based question. If you may have a sufficient practice of MCQ questions from sample paper, then you may gain best percentage in term 1. The class 9th and 11th examination will also be on the same pattern. I hope that all students from class 9 to 12 may practice MCQ, assertion reason type and case study based question 3 to 4 times before term 1 exams. I wish you all the best. Thanks.